obviously I didn't do an intro to this video, so I'm gonna do it now. I am in Hamilton Island. I just checked into my room. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna show you around, show you what it's like. All right, so this is what you see when you walk in. And then this is the bathroom. Now, it's obviously not the most modern, but you know, pretty good. And I didn't realize that I had a bathtub thing. So I'm going to be making great use of that. And then the little cupboard, and I've already put my jacket in there. And there's umbrellas, which will be good because, yep, it's going to be raining. The bit that makes me most excited is I came in with this. And it's a birthday present from the manager. I'm really enjoying this desk. It's huge. And the towels are very cute. And the bed's right there. And this is the main attraction. This amazing view is what I get to wake up to. I'm pretty happy. Ooh. Yeah, okay. So look at this amazingness. Just, you know, take this in for a second. I'm pretty stoked with this room. It's beautiful. And then I'm yet to, oh, there we go. There's the pool. I was gonna say I'm yet to figure out where that is, but there you go. So they have these buggies here and you can hire them. I don't know if I will. It's really sunny currently, so hopefully it stays that way. It's meant to be raining and there's meant to be a storm on Sunday, but it's actually really humid here. People did tell me it was going to be warmer, and I was most concerned about the rain, but right now I'm pretty happy. Do you remember that lift that I was in? There's one of them now. And so it goes all the way down and all the way up, obviously, because it's a lift, duh. Okay, I should just stop talking now. Oh, there it goes. Welcome to my mess. I'm currently trying to get the lay of the land. I'm gonna go for a walk soon. I'm just trying to sort out this Wi-Fi situation, and I'm trying to figure out how to get to stuff so that I can book a massage, hopefully, for Sunday. Oh my lord. What is this thing that just came to visit me? Bye. So I'm still, sorry, that was really close to my face. I'm still having no luck with this internet. You know on an iPhone when it asks you to join a network, and that bird just came back. Yeah, look at them though. Hang on. Can you see? They're everywhere. I think I broke it. So now I have no Wi-Fi, and the 3G, 4G, whatever on my phone is not working either. Anyway, I don't know. So I might give up, go and book my massage, and then, yeah, find some food, because I don't even know what the time is, but I'm hungry. Goodbye! Here's the marina, and I just came from that way, and there's an ice cream parlor, and I'm about to go to the store. Oopsies. If you have ever been to Hamilton Island, you know that walking to the marina is possible, but there is a couple of hills. There are a couple of hills, sorry. And yeah, took it out of me. I was going to take a bus around the rest of the island, but I'm actually feeling pretty lazy now, and I bought some cheese and crackers, and I have the champagne that I got for my birthday. So that's my night. I'm going to also find somewhere to have dinner. I'm not sure where yet, and I'm currently looking at this view and I'm not complaining. I'm pretty impressed. It's not even sunny or anything, but it's still nice, you know? Sometimes life is good. Alrighty, I am about to have fish and chips for dinner. I figured I would do it now while the weather was kind of calm. I'm not really sure what's gonna happen with the weather for the next couple of days. So I did not go to the bakery. I went to Popeye's Fish and Chips, which is the famous one on this island. Fingers crossed that it's good. It's kind of windy now, so I'm glad I brought a jacket. Good morning. Let's go and see if it's sunny or not. Ooh, actually it kind of looks pretty good. Some clouds around, which is kind of sucky, but for the most part it's looking pretty nice. Whew. It's not a bad way to wake up. Nom, 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 nom. I seem to have some friends. Hi! Oh my god, okay, I might shut this. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Hi. Oh my god, I'm surrounded. Welcome to Hamilton Island. I'm just in the lift, hold on. So just a bit of an update, I'm about to eat some lunch and then I'm going to be getting on the helicopter trip. So I'm going to try and vlog as much as I can of it. Oh my god, I'm at Whitehaven Beach and the weather's managed to hold out. They gave me this little bag full of like cheese and crackers and stuff. There's like a little picnic rug and everything. Not the worst setup in the world. Got my little umbrella area. So cool. Okay, and the famous white sand of Whitehaven. There's little thingies from like crabs. Little setup, how cute. So I just opened the goodie bag and there's some fruit and cheese and crackers and champagne. I feel like I'm gonna rename this Champagne Island or Champagne Reef because all they do here is fill me up with free champagne and I have another bird friend. Bird and Champagne Land. Uh-oh. It's gonna rain. In the room. I just thought I'd debrief a bit because that was slightly overwhelming. Like, not in a bad way though. Hang on, let me just fix this light. Okay. Not in a bad way though, like overwhelming in a good way. And seeing the reef was incredible and I'm so grateful that it was sunny out there. It rained when we got to Whitehaven, but I still had about half an hour of chilling out, so that was pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know if I said this in any of the footage or when I was at Whitehaven because I can't really remember what I was even saying, but there was turtles and sharks at the reef. I don't think I got a good photo because everything was just, it was just a lot of stimulus to take in and I was just kind of trying to look with my eyes as well as take a video and take a photo, but for the most part trying to just soak it all in. So I don't think I got any photos of the sharks or of the turtles, but you know, tiny specks and you could see the turtles' legs and everything, but I just saw heaps of shark fins. And the helicopter pilot was just pointing out stuff to me. Whew. I'm still in recovery mode. I've just ran from outside because it was raining. Breathe, Jen, breathe. Yeah, incredible. Yeah, lucky I didn't go down to the beach because look. Ew, it's like wet all here as well. It smells like fish. But yeah, lucky I didn't go because rain, rain, rain. And 20 minutes later, back to being a little bit sunny. So I just got back from dinner and I was on the shuttle bus. So they have these free shuttle buses that go around the island because it's such a tiny island that they can do that, I suppose. And I overheard these people having a conversation about flights being cancelled. So I was like, okay, I'll just go to the room and I'll check. And we've got this message now, which is freaking me out. I'll show you now. Well, that's concerning. Cancelled all of their flights tomorrow. So it says tomorrow flights have been cancelled. My flight is not until the next day. It is meant to clear up. Like, I've seen the forecast and it's meant to clear up. Fingers crossed, because I have to go back to work. Well, that was a very interesting 2 hours. I ended up calling, well, first actually I checked online for the flight status of my flight. Everything seemed to be okay. But I was still kind of paranoid. So I ended up calling Virgin Australia. Long story short, 2 hours later, I've checked in, I've been assigned a seat. Like, the weather is going to be better Monday for sure. Still kind of am a bit anxious about it, but you know, I've done what I can now and I just need to see how it goes. Going to try and relax now. I'm still relaxed. This is a very relaxing weekend. What are you talking about? I'm not stressed.